Hey everyone, and welcome to my Rubik's Cube tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use the daisy to finish the first step of CFOP, the cross. Now this is what the cross looks like. Before you get started, make sure to have your daisy ready with the yellow center and 4 white petals. In order to convert the daisy into the white cross, what we need to do is, one by one, turn each of these edge pieces to the other side. The first and most important step is lining up the piece to the correct side before turning it around. Let me demonstrate. So I'm going to work with this white edge piece first. In order to line it up, we can turn the top layer. You will know that this piece is lined up when this color of the edge piece, in this case orange, is on the same color side, which should be the orange side. So if we turn the top layer like this, until this orange is on the orange side, it's lined up. Once it's like this, all we need to do is turn the side we're looking at, the front side, and we need to turn it 180 degrees, like this. In cubing notation, this is called F2. And there you go, there's our first petal in the formation of the cross. Now we just need to do it for the next 3. The other color of this petal is blue, so we need to turn the top layer until it's lined up with the blue side. So let's turn it until this blue part is on the blue side. Now we just need to turn the front layer 180 degrees, like this, F2. And there you go, 2 more petals to go. So the other color of this petal is green, so we need to turn the top layer until it's matching the green side. Just like that. And now we just need to do another F2. 1, 2. And here's the last petal. It's already lined up onto the red side, so we can just do F2. And there you go. That's how you make the white cross. Here, I'll do it again a little faster with this other cube. So first, the other color of this piece is green, so let's line that up, and then turn it to the bottom. The other color of this piece is blue, so let's line that up and turn it to the bottom. This one's red and it's already lined up. And this one is orange, so we can just turn it and bring it to the bottom. And there you go again. There is your white cross. Alright, that's it for this video on making the white cross. Now that we've completed the C in CFOP, in the next video, we will be starting on the next step, first 2 layers, and it looks like this. So be sure to check that video out. If you found this video interesting or learned something, click the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. Goodbye for now.